Hello, NIO stock is on fire. The third quarter earnings call is coming tomorrow and the stock looks set to explode. I have my prediction for what will take place after earnings, one piece of bearish news and plenty of bullish reasons. Let's go. Keep it simple. Time is of the essence, so let's just jump straight in. In my last video update on NIO, the stock was trading around $35. What a crazy week and a half it's been. We have seen all-time high after all-time high. Just look at this chart. It has literally become parabolic, which means by the laws of physics and Sir Isaac Newton, there will be a correction. But was Friday's drop of 7% enough? Or will there be more? Simply put, I think that was it. My new price prediction for NIO stock by the end of the year remains at $60, but anything can happen. So let's look at what we know is going to happen in the earnings call tomorrow. First, let's look back at the second quarter results. They were literally stunning, and if we look at the achievements, it's actually quite unbelievable. The key highlights for me worth noting were how NIO turned a vehicle margin from negative 7.4% in the first quarter of 2020 to a positive 9.4% in the second quarter. That's ridiculous. Total revenues doubled from quarter 1 to quarter 2, and the gross profit went from negative 25 million to a positive 47 million. What a turnaround! What's more astonishing though, beyond all of this, is how the market reacted to those second quarter results, which was not a lot. In fact, the stock price tumbled a little bit before basically staying in a consolidation zone. Can you believe that? This was the last time I managed to pick up some shares of NIO, and I'm sure, like many others, I wish I picked up more. So what do we actually know about the third quarter results being released tomorrow? Well, we already know that the October deliveries beat the all-time records on top of the September records and on top of the August records. So, for the third quarter results, surely we can expect a beat on the second quarter in terms of deliveries and sales of vehicles. Can we get an even better vehicle margin? With larger production volume, the overall margin should be even better, right? You would expect this unless something extraordinary happens. We can also expect overall revenue to go up due to the increased sales and the massive backlog that NIO has been hinting at. Gross profit must be through the roof also. Based on this, I see a massive move to the upside. So, if you already have a position like me, I really advise you to sit on the fence and become a keen observer. If you are looking to buy NIO and start a position, I would suggest you observe the price action on Tuesday and look for a sensible buying opportunity maybe 1 or 2 days later when the price hopefully consolidates or retraces a little after a surge. However, and this is a big however, if the basic earnings per share will be positive rather than negative, oh me oh my, the stock could be flying to the moon. 2 bullish reasons why NIO goes through the roof on top of a positive earnings call, and why the one bearish news also signals to me a must buy for the long term if the price stays sub $50. Don't miss the boat. Institutional feeding frenzy. The world's largest hedge fund doubles up on NIO stock. The US's largest pension fund adds more NIO stock. And the substantial shareholder BlackRock Inc. continues to add more NIO stock. I'm sick of it. I want to add more stock too. Recognition. NIO is gaining worldwide prestige and has moved above BMW and the second most valuable EV company in the world, only behind Tesla. Bearish news. A famed short seller released a short report on NIO, our NIO, and put in place a speculative price target of $25. Yes, $25. Can you believe that? And how I hope he is right so I can buy more shares. This, believe it or not, actually sparked a mini sell-off on Friday. But we must know, this is the same short seller that released a similar report on Tesla 2 years ago. I don't think that one worked out too well for them. The fact that they have come out again and found a new target being NIO makes me actually even more bullish on this NIO stock. At the time of recording, NIO stock again started off in the red, but as NIO stock always does, it's coming back and now it's actually in the green. It's up 1%. It's at $45 again. Tomorrow is going to be a crazy day and I'm sure the volume is going to go through the roof. Sit tight, investors, and let's get ready to buy more should any massive crash happen, which I think the chances are slim at best. I think I will have to continue sitting on the fence until we get a calming of the stock. Leave me a comment down below if you hold any shares and what you plan to do after earnings tomorrow. If you enjoyed this NIO update, please check out all my other growth stock videos that could make you tons of cash. Please just consider to subscribe so you can stay up to date with all my latest coming content. I am the Simple Trader and I'll simply see you next time.